Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Golfdom Magazine. I'm at the 2025 GCSAA Conference Show in San Diego, and I'm being joined by my buddy, Scott Kinkead, Executive Vice President of Turfco. Scott, thanks for taking some time. Always good to see you.
Absolutely. Well,
this thing's a beast out here. This thing's like, taking up a lot of space. The CR-20, talk to me about what you guys designed for this show.
Well, if you're going to do fairway top dressing and material handling, you're going to want capacity. So It is a big machine. We've actually spent the last 3 years working on this, and a lot of it kind of started out with just asking guys what's available out in the marketplace, how do we make it more usable. Everything we kind of focus on is like helping a superintendent be more productive and helping their staff be more productive. And so that's kind of the culmination of the CR-20 is what we heard is give us a material handler or top dresser that's more user-friendly, a little more intuitive. So on the top dressing side, you can set various different settings for different widths, but same rate. So when you're doing a fairway, you could do 40 feet wide, hit a button, drop it down to 20 feet wide, but be at the same rate.
Okay.
Or even be able to increase your application in certain areas around the fairways. So really being able to get a really good quality spread and evenness on the top dressing side. On the material handling side, what we've done is our patent pending machine, we have a joystick control now for the cross conveyor. So the cross conveyor is mounted on the machine, and what we spent a lot of time guys saying, I need to get material at least 20 feet into the bunker. So we've sped it up. We've done a hydraulic system where it's more smooth, and I can throw sand out 20 feet, or I can drop it at 10 feet. And I can save those different settings. And we now have 40 degrees of movement up front where I can move that cross conveyor back and forth. And the big benefit of that is now I'm not dropping it all in one spot.
Gotcha.
And so I can distribute that material around, which makes it easier for the guys when they're spreading the material.
Yeah.
So you don't just end up with a big pile in one location.
Labor savings, but also cost savings in terms of the amount of beer you don't have to buy for the guys afterwards because of the backbreaking work that they were doing previously. Because that's heavy sand.
100%. And that's what guys have said to us is like, we used to have 4 guys in the bunker, now we have 2.
Cool.
A couple courses where they used it, they were able to just do a quick skim of top dressing or a bunker sand to spruce up before a tournament, and then without using as much material. And they were able to do the job in 2 days, which would normally take them a week and a half.
That's great. Great labor savings. So cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Scott, thanks for sharing it with us, showing us what it's all about. We're going to have guys on doing another thing right for the superintendents.
Yeah, absolutely. Always.
Okay.
Always.
Everybody, this is Scott Kinkead. I'm Seth Jones. Thanks for watching us here on Golfdom TV.